After taking beverage orders, we normally take food orders. And when we are taking food orders, we have where to start and where to end. So we have normally starters or appetizers. We have cold starters, salads, and other items which they prepare, but they don't cook them, or they can cook them and put in a cold fridge. And then we have hot starters or appetizers, such as soups. We can have mushroom soup, for instance. We can have cream of tomato. We can have pumpkin soup, and so on. And then after starters, we have main course. About main course, we have like red meat, I mean beef, pork, lamb, and so on. And then we have white meat. We have like fish, we have chicken, we have rabbit and other poultry. And then we have vegetarian dishes. So those are main course. And then we have dessert, assorted dessert. So when you are taking orders, you have to take from the starter, because starter goes with aperitifs. And then you take main course, and then you stop from there. After serving main course, then you can take the dessert order. So at this time, we shall start to see how you can take food order. And remember, after taking all orders, you have to repeat so that you confirm. And where possible, you have to suggest. But note that every day you suggest, your guests are not forced to accept what you suggest, because they are free to make their choice. To present food menu is the same way as we presented beverage menu or beverage list. So remember that you open the menu and you make sure that your guest take it in his or her hand, and then they go through the menu. So always you go clockwise, it's better. But if there is some obstacle, that can be an obstacle in your way going clockwise, so you can use the anti-clockwise, because you have something which can't allow you to pass and follow the rule of anti-clockwise. So like assume that there we have an obstacle. So here I'll open my menu and give my guest by using the wrong side, but because there is an obstacle over there. Good. So after presenting the menu, you have to obey and give them the space, 1 to 2 minutes, so that they go through the menu and decide what they can take. But remember that you have to suggest, to come up with suggestion so that you upsell the food. And especially if you have a special of the day, because sometimes the chef can do a special of the day and you can't find it in the menu. They may write it on the blackboard or just inform the waiters so that they can sell the special of the day. So I'll give them just 1 minute and come back and take the food. And when you are taking food order, you have to take from the starter up to the main course, and then you stop from there. After clearing the main course, you can then suggest the dessert with coffee or tea. So I give them just 2 minutes and I'll come back. Okay, after my 2 minutes, I'm back to take the food orders. And remember that you have to start from the ladies. Madam, may I have your order, please? Oh, okay. Today we have a special of the day. We have filet mignon. It's beef fillet, but which is very tender, with Roquefort sauce. Roquefort sauce is a sauce.
Yeah, how filet mignon, please.
Filet mignon. Okay. Filet mignon.
The starter you have.
Okay, the starter, I can suggest pumpkin soup. Okay, the doneness of our filet mignon. Medium?
Yes.
Okay, medium. What about the accompaniment, madam? Chips. With some vegetables aside? Only chips. Okay, thank you, madam. Sir?
Yes, please.
Yes.
For me, can I have chef salad?
Chef salad as starter?
Yeah.
Yes.
For main course, I can go for fish fillet of tilapia.
Yes. With
Chips.
chips.
French fries.
Yes. With vegetables?
Vegetables.
Yes, we have spinach.
Spinach. Yes. That
Yes. Okay.
One. For sauce, what do you have?
Yeah, the sauce, mushroom sauce, because we use local mushrooms.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That one.
Okay, can I repeat your order, please?
Yes, please.
Madam, you asked pumpkin soup as starter, and for the main course, you asked for filet mignon, medium, with chips, and the sauce is Roquefort. Sir,
Yes, please.
you asked for chef salad as starter,
Yeah.
and the tilapia fillet will be grilled
Yeah.
with chips, and spinach as vegetables with mushroom sauce.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll be back shortly with your starters, but the main course will take 25 minutes.
All right.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you noticed that I took the order or orders from the starter up to the main course. And after taking my orders, I repeated the orders in order to confirm. And I repeated all details. So you have to do so when you are taking orders. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to follow the next video, which will be talking about how we serve beverages.